Here's another one of these stupid fucking Christian fucking whatevers. Yeah, another shot, another 666 affiliation with the 1. 666 is 18 and it's 9. It's always the same thing. Interesting here. It says from the beginning. And look, you can see the rings right here. See the rings of Saturn right here? But they never come out and say Saturn. Why won't they do that? Because that's their dude. And that's their guy. June 2015, gay marriage SCOTUS. That word POTUS, where they say president of the whatever United States, that word goes, that does not mean that. They assigned those words to that name. That is not what POTUS means. And SCOTUS don't mean in what you think it does neither. And here's the White House where they're showing the fucking rainbow colors, which is exactly the Saturnian colors. See, this kind of stupid shit here. The 6th day, blah, blah, blah. It still comes out to the fucking, it still comes out to 9. And these guys are shills anyway. He's not Obama is not the Antichrist. The Antichrist is the whole fucking system of the woman taking over the role of the man and pushing that agenda. But they got the colors right. The yellow and the purple. How did they manage to do that? And here he is, Mr. Christian in blue and red. Fuck off, P.P. Simmons. Stupid ass. See, this is what I'm saying. Revelations does not have to go down the way that people think that it does. It's a fucking warning book. It's just telling you what could be if people don't fucking change their ways. But they just sit back, the Christians, oh, we just have to sit and wait and watch it unfold. No, you don't. Didn't you get that fucking from the movie Scrooge when he was taken to the grave and it said, if you don't change your ways, this is what's going to happen? Don't you remember? That was the whole thing. He asked the Grim Reaper, are these things that will be or are these things that might be? Well, obviously these are things that will be because nobody gives a fuck to do anything to change them. I mean, why would it be a final warning if it was already predestined? Well, there's no point in giving a warning if it's imminent, if it's going to happen. A warning for what? Oh, we're in the tribulation. It's the final warning. That's like telling a guy, if you're a pilot of an airplane. I saw a video one time, and a guy got himself into trouble in a canyon where there were a lot of trees. And this is not referring to a video some of you might think. It was just a guy like up in Montana. And he had a guy, and he got too far in the canyon, and he couldn't get altitude. And as he was turning, he started to lose more and more altitude. And he went down into the trees, and it killed them both. Well, just in the video, just before they crashed, he tells the guy, he says, hang on, Ray. Well, hang on to what? It was fucking imminent. It was too late. You're going to crash. So why are you telling a guy to hang on? That's like saying, what's the point of saying final warning? Final warning of what? If it's already going to happen, there's no point in giving a warning. These are things that are supposed to be, that you could change, that man could change. But the Christians have been taught to sit there and go, oh, this is prophecy. Oh, it's just a fucking way to let evil flourish, you stupid bastards. Don't you get it? Don't you see the mind fuck here? You're told it's going to happen. You're really supposed to try and stop it from happening. Right? But yet they're giving you a final warning. I don't understand why people can't look at this stuff the right way. Why give a final warning if it's impossible to change the outcome? If you tell somebody don't fuck with me, you're telling them to back off or things are going to get worse. You don't tell somebody don't fuck with me after you already kicked their ass. It's too late. It's already done. All of these guys are fucking scam artists. Are the end-time prophecies unfolding? Only because we're letting it. Were certain words actually coded in the book of Revelation? Yeah, how about Bible? How about Chiun? How about Ramphon? How about the Chiun, the star you made unto yourself? How about all of those things? That's silly shit. From the beginning, and there's your planet Saturn right there. You can see the ring coming right around there, and it whips back over there. From the beginning, they're fucking paying homage to their dude with the yellow and the purple. Fuck off, you idiots! And all of this. Oh, we're going to be caught up. No, you're not. Any type of this, oh, you're going to be caught up into heaven to be with him is bullshit. There was no such thing as a rapture in the Bible prior to 1920. That's all made up crap. Oh, yeah, go into the light. That's where you want to go. That's where you want to go. You want to go into the light. I can pretty much tell you firsthand, that's not where you want to go. Because you idiots have associated light with goodness. Dark is not evil. Dark is just the time when the sun goes down. The key is hidden in the dark, you dopes. The light is like a bug zapper. Man, go ahead, get drawn to that and see what happens. It's a big bug zapper. How fast is the speed of light? 186,000 miles per second. What's the speed of darkness? 0, because it always has been. Light was extrapolated from the darkness. In the Bible, the dark was first, and light was taken from the darkness. But you're associating darkness with evil because you're scared of it when you was a kid. Darkness in the understanding of stupidity is bad. Darkness, as in understanding, and not dark understanding like, oh, I get witchcraft, is okay. The light is just, it's like pulling a moth to a flame. I don't know how to explain it the right way. But all of these idiots are going to run to the fucking light. And they're going to get burned up. Just imagine a bunch of little atoms being attracted to a fucking power source. And they go there and they get burnt up. My advice to you is if you ever see a light, run the other way. Because usually the light in massive amounts means energy, but not the kind that you're going to transform into you. How stupid is this shit? I hate this. They've sold this crap on people for years. Find out for yourself. Well, I got something for you. Go fuck yourself. The Dome on a Rock. This is a big fucking butt plug this thing here is. It's a colonnade. How fucking ludicrous. Final warning. Final warning about what? If it's Revelations and it's going to happen, final warning about what? Then there's no place to go because the whole world's going to get burned up, right? Stupid, stupid, stupid. That's why your religions are all a fucking joke.